Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today's recipe is for vegan chocolate chip mini muffins. They make the perfect lunchbox treat or after school snack. To a large mixing bowl, add 2 cups of unbleached all-purpose flour. I always use unbleached flour. To that, add a half a teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of baking powder and 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Give that a really good mix until well combined, and then set it off to the side for later. Measure out 1 cup of almond milk or any other non-dairy milk that you like. Add 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, stir that, and let it sit for 5 minutes. To a small mixing bowl, you're going to add 3/4 cup of sugar and 1/3 cup of melted coconut oil or other oil that you like to bake with, and a half a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Mix well until creamy and well combined, and then you're going to add your milk mixture. Mix that well without splashing the milk all over. Add the wet mixture to the dry and mix until well combined. You want it to be creamy and well mixed, but don't overmix the batter. To the batter, add 1 cup of dairy-free vegan chocolate chips. I used regular size, but I think mini would have been perfect. Line or grease a muffin pan, so this recipe makes 24 mini muffins, so that's the size of pan you want. Evenly fill the mini muffin pan up to the top of each well. And I did have a little bit of batter left that didn't fit into the pan, but that's okay. And they'll go in the oven at 350 degrees for around 15 minutes. When they're done, they'll be a light tan color, and they should be dry when you touch them and spring back. And of course, somebody had to taste them before I got to record the final product. This recipe makes 24 mini muffins, and you can freeze them if you don't want to eat them within 2 to 3 days. So if you just freeze them on a baking sheet and then put them in a plastic bag. And they should be in the freezer for 2 to 3 months. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this recipe video.